Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be heat wrapping my downpipe. Yeah, got everything we need here. We got the downpipe. We got our titanium heat wrap by DEI. This is the best stuff on the market. Black. If you get the kit that they sell at like AutoZone and stuff, it's expensive, man. It's like 80-90 bucks. But it comes with like twice as much as this, so you can do like long tube headers, or for your motorcycle or whatever. But I don't need all that much. I'm just doing my downpipe. So I found this on Amazon. I think it was like $30. Got this also on Amazon. It was like $10. And this is the high temp silicone coating. And I'm gonna spray this on after I wrap the downpipe with the wrap, and it's gonna like seal it, make sure none of that heat gets out through like the cracks and stuff, and it's gonna be in this nice white finish that you see up here. And I got these also on Amazon. They were like $5, and there's way more than 2 or 4 or however many you thought you were gonna use on this project. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Alright, so go ahead and open this. And I'm probably going to open this because we're going to need at least one to hold the wrap in place. But look at that. Let's see if we can focus here. That nice weave on it. That cheap one that was on here before definitely did not look that nice. I got that pretty tight. I'll go ahead and throw a zip tie on that. Yo, come here. Got my boy Smokezilla22 coming to help out. Yeah, don't block the camera completely, but I need you to hold, just hold this tight so that I can get the zip tie. No, this right here. This.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it definitely helps if you have 2 people to do this, or if you wanted to use like a clamp or something like that. Yeah, so get that on there, pull it tight. I'm gonna use some pliers. Oh yeah, that's good. That's nice and good right there. Yep. And you could just continue wrapping. Now I'm gonna see if I can do a little time lapse here. I'll have to do that in post. Great if your friend was still here. But team no friends. Oh, man. Really want to keep that tight. Get it right. Get it tight. Alright, she's in there. Grab them pliers. And pull. Alright, that's not going anywhere. One more on the top, and we're good. Okay, so before I spray this, I'm gonna tape up the holes. Boom. Alright, I'm gonna go hang this up. Alright, I got the downpipe hanging. My phone's like gonna overheat, I think. Try to do this quick before my phone does overheat. High temp silicone coating. Surface must be clean. We're spraying on this brand new wrap, so that is definitely clean. Dry and dust free of rust, blah blah blah. Shake hand for at least a minute. Alright. We know how to spray stuff at this point. That's definitely not 8 to 10 inches. I'm gonna let that dry one more time, and then I'm gonna hit it with one final coat so I can make sure I get the underside looking nice and white. And this is gonna look so freaking good in my engine bay with all that white and red. Can't wait to see it. Alright guys, my phone died on the GoPro now. This is the good stuff. This is where great videos are made. Throwing y'all on the old headpiece. Clear it. She clear. Let this bad mama dry. Heat to 400 degrees minimum to cure. Yeah, didn't know we were supposed to cure it. But good thing is, this is going in my car, and I'm sure it'll get much hotter than 400 degrees. Yeah, no doubt. This thing's gonna be, you know, attached to my turbo. It's gonna be fucking hot. So it'll cure on the car, and that'll be in another video. So if you like this one, please make sure you click that like button, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content or the giveaway. I know you're getting tired of hearing about the giveaway. Maybe you're not, but either way, it's coming up at 250 subscribers. I am closing in like a hawk. I think I got like 193 right now. It won't be long before somebody has extra $50 in their pocket. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and do that right now, and we'll be back, well, I'll be back in like a couple days. Peace.